Hey guys, today we will talk about these my temps. Are there taxes on bitcoins? More than a decade after Bitcoin introduction, there is still considerable confusion about in taxes. The cryptocurrency was conceived of as a medium for daily transaction, but it has yet to again transition as a currency meanwhile it has become popular with speculators and traders interested in making a quick buck of a volatile. The Interrevenue service addresses cryptocurrency transaction in its notice 2014 and 2021. The agency stated the cryptocurrency would be traded in as similar to property. In 2019, the years began, including a question on its form 1014 to determine whether the taxpayer had an cryptocurrency transaction during the given tax year. Depending the type of transaction as a subject to various kinds of taxes, but the unique characteristics and use case for Bitcoin mean that there is several expansion. Bitcoin taxation frequently asked questions. Bitcoin is now listed on exchanges and has been paired with leading world currencies such as the US dollar and the euro. The US Treasury acknowledging to growing importance of Bitcoin when it announced the Bitcoin related transaction and investment cannot be deemed illegal. Here some answer to important question about text associated with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been a classified and asset similar to property by the years and it taxed as such. US taxpayers must report Bitcoin transaction for tax purposes. Retail transaction using Bitcoin such as purchase or sale of goods. Insure capital gains tax. Bitcoin mining business is subject to capital gains tax and can make business deduction for the accused. Bitcoin hard forks and airdrops drops are taxed and at ordinary in context rights. Getting donating on inheriting Bitcoin are subject to the same limits as cash or property transaction. Do you have to pay taxes on Bitcoin transactions? The short answer to that question is yes, Bitcoin classifiable is and yes, as it makes its tax implication clear. The years is made in mandatory for taxpayer to report Bitcoin transaction of all kids, no matter how small in full. Every use taxpayer is required to keep a record of all buying, selling, investing on usage associated with their Bitcoin. The years then warning later in July 2019 to more than 10,000 taxpayers in subsidies. Potential filed in report income and pay to result tax from virtual currency transaction or did not report their taxation properly. If warned this incorrect reporting of income could result in penalties, interest on even criminal result. Which types of Bitcoin transaction are taxed? The following types of transaction using Bitcoin are considered taxable. Sale of Bitcoin mined personally to a third party. For example, if your money mean Bitcoin and sell in the other party for a profit, you have to pay capital gains taxes of the transaction. Sale of Bitcoin bought from someone to a third party. For example, if you purchase Bitcoin at a cryptocurrency exchange from other person and sell it for a proof, you have to pay capital gains tax on the translate transaction using minted Bitcoin to buy goods or service. For example, purchase coffee using Bitcoin, they mined and maintain. You have to pay taxes on the transaction. The amount of taxes depends on the specific of the transaction, such as the value of Bitcoin, it's the time of sale and the price of coffee. Using Bitcoin bought from someone to buy goods and service. For example, if a withdraw Bitcoin from exchange to your personal wallet and make goods purchase with you're liable for capital gain tax. The first and third scenarios are taxed as personal or business income after deduction of expense incurred during the process of mining. The second and third scenarios are made like investment in an asset. Let's you pushed Bitcoin for 200 and sold it your 300 or used an equivalent while in cost. You are liable to pay capital gains tax on the 100 profit from the transactions. Do you have to pay taxes in the revenues cryptocurrencies as payment for goods and service? Sellers or payments received in cryptocurrency are traded as ordinary income for tax purposes. While cost basic for the cryptocurrency is its price on the date which it was used for salary payment.